This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring you have Seller Center access and your product is live. This is essential because checkout links point to active listings. Once the listing has SKU, price, stock, and shipping set, make sure payments like Shopee Pay are enabled so buyers can complete checkout. Next, open Seller Center or the app Seller Tools and locate the product ID. This ID is the anchor for your checkout link. Now proceed to build the link format using the listing and any promo parameters. Now you construct the actual URL. Take Shopee's base link and append the shop and item identifiers. This ensures the link opens the right product page. Then include query parameters like variant ID and quantity so the buyer lands on the exact option you want. Add voucher or campaign codes when needed to apply discounts automatically. Once assembled, test it in app and in a browser to confirm mobile redirection and parameter behavior. Make sure the link respects region and promo limits. Finish by shortening and tagging the link with UTM parameters so you can track clicks and conversions. Share the link in your campaign, but monitor orders to catch redirect or promo mismatches. If the link fails, first verify stock, region restrictions, and voucher expiry. These are the most common causes. If problems persist, reproduce the issue, capture screenshots and logs, and contact Shopee support with details so they can escalate. This saves time and gets you back to selling quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.